He was the war behind PSG, historic Champions League triumph. But now, Gianluigi Donnarumma is thinking about walking away from it all. Premier League clubs are cycling, and the rumors, they are heating up. According to Luis Enrique, while on international duty with Italy, Donnarumma has spoken to his teammate about a move to England. And the names on the table: massive one, Manchester United, Manchester City, Real Madrid. The goalkeeper's current contract with PSG runs until 2026. But the future is more uncertain than ever. But here is the twist. PSG have offered him a renewal. But here is the twist. It comes with a salary cut. A new deal offers less guaranteed money, with bonus tied to appearance, part of the new Luis Campos regime strategy. Basically, it's take it or leave it. And right now, Donnarumma isn't convinced. Club sold one fair optimism, but that optimism is fading fast. Let's not forget, Donnarumma was massive in PSG Champions League run. Club saved big moment. He delivered when it mattered most. He is still just 26 years old, already a Euro winner, a Champions League winner. And now, Europe bigger clubs are preparing their offers. Manchester United looking for stability between the stick. Onana being shaky. Manchester City, Ederson's future isn't 100% certain, and Pep one top competition. Real Madrid contract is aging injury. Donnarumma could be their future number one. Three clubs, three massive projects, and all eyes on one man. So what's next? Stay at PSG and accept a pay cut with incentive, or chase a new chance in England or Madrid and define a new legacy. For PSG, losing Donnarumma would be a huge blow, but not just for their defense, but for the span of a team that finally conquered Europe. This is more than a transfer rumor. This is about a superstar goalkeeper at his peak, choosing the next chapter of his career. His contract may run until 2026, but the countdown may have already begun. Follow our page to stay updated. How do you think, guys? Drop your answer in the comment section. Peace out.